Hey guys, today I'm here with Nikki.
Whoa.
And today I'm going to tell you about my stuffed animal collection. I'm just going to tell you about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's add one more in there. Who else do I like? Okay, I'm just going to tell you the top 10 dogs and they're not just dogs. I'm just going to tell you the top 10 animals I like.
Sorry.
So let's start with my favorite. My absolute favorite stuffed animal is Ellie. Big Ellie. The reason I call him Big Ellie is because there are two of them. One is big, one is small. I like him, and I've had him since I was born. And I love him so much. Yeah. He has big everything. He has big ears, a big trunk, big head, big fat body. He has big legs. He has a really long tail. Look how big this tail is. So yeah, that's Ellie, and I'm going to keep him right here because I like to cuddle him. Next is... Next is Goldie. Goldie is my second favorite because he's so realistic. But you'll think the next one's more realistic. And it is. I know you'll know that. So... Ow!
Sorry.
Yeah, that's Goldie.
Sorry.
So, this is the next one. This is the really, really realistic one. Pete. Pete looks so realistic, and he's so fluffy. See, look. He's not a real dog, and I can prove it, but he looks just like one. Once we actually put him on a leash and walked around the block, and the neighbors actually thought we got a new dog.
Oh, yeah.
And the cool part about it is when you press this switch, he turns on. See, look, his legs move, his tail moves, and he barks. And watch him walk. He's kind of slow. So yeah, that's Pete. I like him second best because he's a realistic dog. My mom doesn't want a real dog, so I guess this is the closest I have. So, next one is... What's his name again? I'm just going to call him Kitty, because he doesn't have a real name. So I'm just going to call him one. But I used him so much. He actually had a hole in here. And my grandma sewed it back in. He's also missing an eyeball. He's missing an eyeball. Because it would be right here. But it's not. There's one on the other side. That's how much I use him. That he's missing an eyeball. An eyeball. How would you feel if you were missing an eyeball? Okay, next one. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you. I like him because he's so light so you can carry him everywhere. Like, if you could feel this, you can even sit on my iPod without moving it. Yeah. So that's Kitty. Next one. Is this guy. He doesn't really have a name, so I'm just going to call him number 2. Because 2 of the stuffed animals... Oh, I just had a horrible cramp on me. Because 2 of the stuffed animals I have don't have names. So I'm just going to call this guy number 2. I don't really like much about him. But the reason I like him is because he's so soft. He feels like fluffy poison ivy, which I've never touched, but he feels that soft, and that's why everybody... Like, if you have ever felt poison ivy for any reason, you know it's super soft. So, yeah, it's super soft, so that's why I like number 2. Who should I do next? You. This is Ducky. I like Ducky because he's the only actual bird thingy that I have. His arms move, his wings, whatever you want to call them. His legs move. I just put him up here and he flies. His eyes are so cute. Peekaboo. 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 Okay, so that's Ducky. Next one is Ellie that's not even part of the Ellie family. The other Ellie that looks like this looks exactly like this. And look at these two. They're not the same shade or anything. But, so that's why I call them Ellie, not part of the Ellie family. If I just showed you the other Ellie, you'd understand. So I like this elephant because he is soft, just like number 2. And he is cute. Look at his little eyes. They're so cute. Okay, so next one is Strawberry. Strawberry is my second least favorite dog out of the 10 favorite dogs. But I like him a lot. Strawberry. I like Strawberry a lot. It's actually a her. I don't know why I said him. So, Strawberry. Ooh. Strawberry is the daughter of Butterscotch. Butterscotch is over here. Butterscotch. Strawberry. Butterscotch. Strawberry. Butterscotch. Strawberry. Butterscotch. And Strawberry. So yeah. I like Strawberry because her name kind of suits her because she's pink. Just like a strawberry. Just like strawberry ice cream is pink. That's why I like her, because I think of ice cream whenever I say her name. Okay. Last but not least is Chocolate. Chocolate has a great sniffer. And he has great eyes to see everything. What are you doing? And he has good hearing to hear. And he has great taste. And he has great feelings, so he doesn't even need his whiskers. I don't know why dogs have whiskers. Mainly cats have whiskers, but anyway. Yeah, so those are all my dogs from least to favorite. Bye. I hope you subscribe to my dogs. Subscribe subscribe and tell me which animal is your favorite. Bye.